long as it's playing, that's what matters to me. All right. So you patched one of the subs, or?
Yeah, you patched one of the subs.
Was that a 15 and a 12?
No, just a 12. I had one of our team members had a 15, and we didn't feel like cutting one, so we just used that.
Okay. Oh, so you made it work?
Yeah, I made it work.
All right. And on this is on a 12. Okay. This is your 4-channel Crossfire?
Yep.
What sub is this?
American Bass VFL Comp Signature 12D1.
Okay. Nice. Can I see the port?
Yeah. You'll have to catch the gate.
Oh, sure, man. I'll help. The back's broke.
Yeah.
Bass breaks everything, man.
Yeah, I just noticed this 2 days ago. All of this gonna be taken out regardless.
All good. Work in progress. Did you meter it?
Yeah, I just won. I did a 146.7. No, 146.2. I believe. I forgot.
Okay.
Just that one sub.
Just one sub doing that. Pretty good. With 2 subs, how was it?
It was tapped out at 151.
Okay. 10-inch sub port?
I think
It might be around a 10 or 11, maybe 12. No, that's a 10. Yeah. It's a big sub though.
Appreciate it.
Awesome. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Sweet. Can I come in? Oh, sure. Thank you. What was your name, man?
They call me Osoma.
Osama. All right.
Turn on the ears, kind of high.
So you've got 4 batteries?
4 batteries and one of those up front too, as well, with a Brand X 320.
Yep. And then, oh, okay, 320 all right.
Just checking. I had switched phones. That one's louder on that one.
It's all good.
That's just factory door locations.
I know the box. Oh no. Smoking, you must be cooking the thing. Woo.
I got small fries on my spot.
Woo. Now you're cooking, might want to turn it down.
Oh yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about.
You're smoking the sub, dude.
I got 2 more recones at the house.
Oh really?
Yeah, hey, smoking.
Thank you for the demo.
No problem.
Were you expecting that? I hope not.
Yeah, I mean...
Let's go look at it. You want to go look at it real quick? Hey, thank you for the demo and nice meeting you, man.
No problem.
I got it.
Hey!
It was still playing, but smoking a little bit.
You didn't pop it, did you?
Yeah. Did you?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.